civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for Bluxton Row, beginning at 2:14 a.m. and ending at 2:14 p.m. Residents should be on the lookout for an escaped prisoner named John Doe. John Doe is described as a male Robloxian, bright yellow skin, light blue legs, yellow shirt, 7 inches tall, and wearing a prison jumpsuit. He has escaped at the Robloxian Correctional Facility in Bluxton County, and may be driving a vehicle with license plate 9N1G4R6F5 near the Chelsea Nuclear Generating Station in Bluxton County. If you spot this escaped prisoner, please call 911 when you can do so safely.